Hey guys, today I wanted to give you a brief lesson that you could do on your own. If you came to technology classes last year, we did a lot of work with Google Drive. So we're going to just do a refresher on what Drive is and also walk through the steps of cleaning up your Drive so we can get out any documents that we had from last year. And this would be a great way to keep all your files organized so you can keep them from year to year. Let me see if I can share my screen with you. This one right here. Okay, so hopefully now you see my Google screen. So we are going to navigate over here to our waffle icon, and we're going to click on those 9 dots, and we're going to go directly to our Drive. Now I have tons of things in my Google Drive because it is all that I use. I no longer save anything on my desktop. I keep everything in my Google Drive. So last year in technology, one of the first lessons that we did was we talked about how to create folders, rename them. I'm going to show you how to do the color coding and the little icons on your folders this time. And then also I'm going to give you an opportunity to go through and you can make your own folders and clean out any work that you have from last year. So a quick overview of Drive. These quick access files, these are files that you have been opening recently. Like I've got things for our virtual list. I've got some other sheets that I've been working on. So these are things that I frequently visit. These are not folders. You see, I can't drag these or do anything with those. Then I have all my folders listed. So I have a lot of folders because I have a lot of information in my Drive. And then I have a few random files down at the bottom. So you may have some things hanging out down here that you've been working on. So we want to get those into folders. So the first thing we need to do to make a new folder is we come up here to the top left corner, we click on new and folder. So I suggest doing folders for your grade level this year. So if you're in 5th grade, title it 5th grade. If you're in 6th grade, let's title it 6th grade. Or if you want to do the school year, you can do 2020, whatever you want to do, and click create. So where did mine go? Mine is right here. So this folder is a folder that you can put all of your work that you create in this folder for this year so everything's nice and organized. I know we're using Schoology right now, but you may end up using Google Documents for some things. So you can put files in there. If you have something you've already worked on this year, you can just take it and click it and drag it up to 6th grade. Now, you can probably see how I have some of mine color coded and have little icons. That's super simple to do. So to color code, if you're on a regular computer, you're going to right click. If you're on your Chromebook, you're going to do a 2-finger click. And where it says change color, you can change the color to whatever beautiful color you like. Now, this only changes the file folder. I do have some little icons. I can show you how to get those too. We're going to go to a website called Copy, Paste, Character. I'm just going to type that in my search bar. Copy, paste, character. So these are little emojis. You can click on different things. I'm going to click on emojis. So you could also do, I think they have numbers. Yeah. So if you wanted to be fancy, you could use this 6. So you have to copy and paste these, hence the name, copy, paste, character. So on the item that you want to copy, 2-finger click or right click, click copy. And then if you come back to Google Drive, another 2-finger click, rename. You're going to do a 2-finger click, paste. And now your little emoji is there. A lot of times too, the emoji will cause your folder to be put towards the top of your list. So if I had mine arranged in list fashion, you would see the ones with my emojis are normally the ones up top. Oh, I should probably show you how to do that. This is list view on your Drive. If you come back up here, kind of the top right corner, you can do grid view, which is what I keep, so that it's not quite as long. But now, if you've got things in your Drive that you do not want anymore, I'm going to find a document just in here somewhere I can delete. You can trash it. So once you click on that document, you could do a 2-finger click and click remove, or you can click on the document and come to the trash can and click remove that way. Okay, so assignment for this week. I hope that you can clean up your Google Drive some. And again, this was a quick refresher. You can go back and watch this video as many times as you'd like, because I went kind of fast just for time's sake. And make sure your Google Drives are clean. I will be back with another video sometime next week, and hopefully teach you another skill. Oh, I'm also going to get code set up sometime this week for you guys too, so you can work on code. All right, have a great day.